appeal to AC.
But Igbo kukwa. Say na ojoso agbakulo. Omaro no gubo. So, bro, I want to accept that there was palpable ignorance in our decision to either go to the war or accept sit at home or not define UGM for who they are. But the question is this: let's not be like what Achebe said. People who learn nothing in history but to repeat it. So, in all these things, what have we learned? From the Civil War to this sit at home to all the decisions that we've taken that have been counterproductive. The question now is that Ndi Igbo, what have we learned?
Because to me, enwekwa history, enwekwa afaka history.
Yes.
You know, when you say afa, and then mgbe dibia gbangada wee gbaa dị afa, agbakwa dị afa, enkwa ndị ga-asị anya jee nọdan.
No matara ya.
No buhezu.
Yes.
All history.
Ndị Jew ka na-eche
Messiah.
That's now.
Oh, Sunday Zoo. Sunday Jew is so hedge. So like I was saying,
go ahead, please.
We are already responding.
Yeah,
and here we go line. Now Zion. That is why the Igbo integration movement to seek here for such a special edition.
Yes.
To discuss this. This is just the beginning. In time, we shall continue to dissect it.
Yeah.
And in time as well, we shall profile.
There's a lot to say. There's a lot to say. There's a lot to say. Our time is against us. If
Very
not,
well.
we would have done justice to a lot of conversations. But I saw what some of my friends are doing, and then Joe Assassino Imo. But I said that I will not have such a platform, and I will not avail it for such ideology and then movement. For some of you that are joining us, this is BAM. And Ivo Jibolo BAM. BAM is very, very encompassing.
Yeah.
We can actually accommodate you.
Yes, sir.
So some of you that are actually seeing us, expect more people like them, and even expect them to come back because it takes a lot of time for something to simmer.
Yeah, sure.
A difference between hearing, understanding, and comprehension.
Yes.
When you comprehend something, you have assimilated it. Or
Exactly.